There was a stray cat started hanging around in our garden eating the bird seed. And then he started chasing the birds. Of course, we didn't want that. So Julie started feeding him. She has a couple of cats inside, so we couldn't take any more inside. She's actually, here he is drinking from the bird bath. She is actually taken in several cats. Our granddaughter has a cat that we brought in from the outside, and Julie's sister has a couple of cats that we rescued. And so this is the last stray cat so far that's come down and started living in our yard and enjoying the cat food. And so it was so cold in the winter time and we couldn't bring him in that Julie bought some houses on Amazon that are heated. So he just hangs around out in the yard eating the bird seed, the cat food. You know, he don't have to eat bird seed anymore. He still plays in the yard a lot though, but I don't think he's killed any birds. So now the sparrows and the mourning doves and the cardinals can eat in peace without being disturbed. Well, most of the time. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And thank you very much for watching.